Question 81. New spools of GMAW electrode wire are packaged in sealed containers to protect the wire from which of the following? Answer: moisture contamination and dust contamination. Question 82. Which of the following is the most commonly employed air carbon arc gouging and cutting electrode? Answer: DC copper-coated electrode. Question 83. Which of the following drawing types provide all three axes with the same scale of measurement? Answer: isometric. Question 84. In regards to GMO, which of the following best describes burnback? Answer: when the wire arcs at the contact tip and fuses to it. Question 85. Which of the following fuel gases has the largest explosive concentration range in air? Answer: acetylene. Question 86. Which of the following is a difference between FCAW and GMO? Answer: GMO requires external shielding gas. Question 87. Which of the following tools is employed to find and mark a pipe centerline? Answer: pipe centering head. Question 88. The following best describes the metal transfer mode when effed a fillet weld. Answer: globular metal transfer. Question 89. When gas tungsten arc welding, which of the following shielding gases are employed? Answer: argon. Question 90. Which of the following best describes carbon dioxide and oxygen gas? Answer: reactive gases. Question 91. When GMAW, what effect will an increase in voltage have on the weld bead? Answer: increased width and decreased height. Question 92. Given the GMAW electrode code ER60S3, what would the S in the code represent? Answer: solid wire. Question 93. If a SMAW electrode contains nickel as the major alloy addition in the coating, which letter would be in the suffix? Answer: C. Question 94. When gas tungsten arc welding, which filler rod is most commonly used with 300 series stainless steel? Answer: ER308L. Question 95. Why is it advisable to select an iron worker with a tonnage rating approximately 20% higher than your expected use? Answer: steel hardness and strength variances. Question 96. Which statement best describes the difference between redrying and rebaking low hydrogen SMAW electrodes? Answer: redrying removes surface moisture at lower temperatures. Rebaking uses higher temperatures to restore the electrodes to their as-manufactured low hydrogen condition. Question 97. When FCAW a 2F fillet weld, which of the following would best describe the appropriate travel angle or electrode inclination for the fill passes after the root pass? Answer: 0 to 20 degrees backhand or pull. Question 98. When gas tungsten arc welding, if atmospheric contamination is found immediately after starting the weld, what should be checked first? Answer: verify if there is any gas flow. Question 99. When preparing to bend steel, which of the following is important to produce a strong bend? Answer: the steel is bent against the grain. Question 300. Which of the following drill helix angles would be best for limiting grabbing when drilling brass? Answer: a helix angle of 12 degrees or less.